So if you're looking for a Mailchimp alternative that does marketing automation perfectly well, this video is for you, because by the end of this very video, I'm going to share 3 things. Number 1, what are the alternatives that you should know? Number 2, what are the pros of each and every one of these tools, so that when you're making up your mind, it's easy for you to pinpoint that, you know what, for our case, this will work for us as opposed to the other. And thing number 3, the prices you should expect. For those that don't know, my name is Kenneth Ntende, and over the last 15 years, I have been in this world of sales and marketing. Because of this, I've had the chance to test out multitudes of sales and marketing tools, giving me the expertise I need to best guide you on this topic. So let's get started. Now, the first option that we have on the table is Trembi Marketing. Now, Trembi Marketing is a relatively new tool. It actually launched in this very artificial intelligence era, but the main reason I'm making it the first on the table is because of the value it provides. Now, Trembi as a company is a sales and marketing software brand, meaning their job is not only to give you the email, SMS, and WhatsApp campaigns, plus a powerful marketing automation system. They make sure that they have an entire ecosystem that connects into your sales, connects into your influencer marketing, connects into your support. So look at this like you're going to have one AI tool that will not only do for you the marketing, but do for you your selling, do for you your customer support, do for you your influencer marketing, and all of this is interconnected as part of one tool. Meaning with this one tool, you're going to get a lot more value than just the ability to send out email and SMS campaigns. You're going to get an ecosystem that's interconnected to drive real sales for your brand. Now, that is why I put this as number 1, because its main focus is in understanding that, what sales and marketing happens in so many different aspects. So how do we have one subscription, and that one subscription not only gives you the tools that you need, just like ActiveCampaign for the email and SMS automation, but in addition to that, extend your marketing over through influencers, through an advertising platform, through support tools that you all work together to drive more business for you and keep your customers around longer. Now, for the businesses that are looking to get started with this, you have 2 options. Pricing number 1 is about $79 that encompasses all the different sales and marketing tools that you're going to get under one umbrella. But if you're just looking for the campaign specifically, the marketing automation specifically, the product is literally free. I mean, you don't have to pay any monthly charges. All you have to pay for is the SMSs that you want to use and the emails that you want to use. So you don't have that monthly commitment. I mean, just wake up, and if today you need 1,000 SMSs, pay for 1,000 SMSs. If tomorrow you need 1,000,000, pay for those, and immediately the service will begin to work for you. Now, for many of the brands out there that are just starting and they don't know, they're trying to just drive real sales and they don't want to do a lot of thinking, you might as well outsource that entire marketing department to this tool, because their AI tools are built to just help you drive new sales, convert more, and retain your customers more. So for many of the small businesses, I believe this would be a very good tool for you, regardless of how new it is. Their infrastructure is so powerful that it transcends just being an email, SMS, and WhatsApp automation tool, but rather a full suite of tools intended to drive more sales for you. So that's option number 1. If you're a big brand, let's say you're a bank, you're a multinational bank or multinational insurance company, and you have the budget, and your job is to figure out which marketing automation tool you should use, the one I would recommend the best for you would be Salesforce. This is one of the OG tools, at the same time Google was starting, these guys were also launching marketing automation tools. I mean, that's how long they have been in the industry. And because their proficiency is around making sure that there is deliverability, especially for large corporations, the Coca-Colas of this world, this would be an ideal tool if you are a business of that scale. Now, in terms of pricing, of course, given the niche of customers they serve, you're going to expect to churn out quite a bit of money. I mean, The smallest possible price you're going to find for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud is going to start from $12,000, and this is paid for annually. When you cross over 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 leads and contacts that you have in your ecosystem, this price is definitely going to go up. So only come and adopt this when you're sure about your marketing budgets. But at the same time, because of how much they are tested and how long they have served the enterprise customer, they still become the best option for people that are out there that are looking for enterprise grade marketing automation tools. So yes, option number 2 is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let's say you're a creator, which would be the good option for you? The one I would recommend is kit.com. Some people call it ConvertKit, but they rebranded over to kit.com. That's their new site right now. Now, why I would recommend this for the creatives and the creators, the people that own YouTube channels, Instagram accounts, and they're growing their communities, is because these guys have customized their experience for those kinds of businesses. You're going to have a scenario where, because of how specific they are on who they serve, over and over they're going to beat any other tool. Because I mean, if say I was focusing on this one niche, within a year or 2 years, I'm going to have outbuilt everyone else when it comes to this specific niche. And that's what ConvertKit is meant for those businesses that are content creators, YouTubers, Instagrammers, people who use Facebook a lot, and your job is to just manage your brand and your community. Then ConvertKit/kit.com would be the best option for you. In terms of pricing, you anticipate to start from around $81 a month, but they also charge based on the number of contacts you have. If you're looking for something open source, something whose code is available and you can use at will and customize to your experience, then Mautic would be the best option for you. They offer free marketing automation tool that is actually self-hosted, meaning they give you the code, it's open source, you install on your own servers and use it as you see fit. The fact that it's open source means it's absolutely free, meaning you don't have to pay any fees besides the charges for hosting that given instance of your Mautic platform. Now, if you're just looking for something to test out, play around with, it's not as powerful as some of the others, but I mean, if you're willing to sacrifice things like WhatsApp, SMSs, and some of these other fancy tools, then this would be a good option for you. For the businesses that are looking for something more EU-centered and they need their data protected better, then Brevo would come as a very good option. They not only work in the EU, they work in the rest of the world. Because they have customized their experience around EU rules and GDPR standards, they come off as a very amazing tool for businesses that are within the European Union. The company is based out of France, meaning their understanding of everything compliance in the EU region is way better than any other player. And among the options, the pros of using this tool, I mean, they have an absolutely free package where every day you will get some 100 emails that you can send. So if you're not a really high sender and you just need an off-the-shelf tool that you can use to get you started, then I mean, Brevo would be a very good alternative for you. In a nutshell, those are the different marketing automation options that you have and why you should consider using each and every one of these options. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the links to each and every one of these different alternatives. So if you're looking to get started with any of them, just go over to the description, click the link, and I'll lead you over to a place where you can sign up and get started and get some discounts. Bye-bye for now.